Assist the patient to a comfortable position. Then, place the patient's hand on either side of the rib cage or over the operative sites. Ask the patient to take a deep breath and hold it for 3 to 5 seconds and exhale slowly. Repeat this exercise about 5 times unless the patient seems too tired. If so, stop the procedure and report to the nurse. Place a pillow across the incision line as a brace. Instruct the person to take a deep breath and cough forcefully twice with the mouth open. Provide tissue to collect any secretions. Finally, assist the patient to a comfortable position. Report to the nurse on the number of times the patient performed each exercise, how the patient tolerates the exercise, and the type and amount of sputum coughed up.